HDMI adapter. Easily connect the HDMI audio/video output of a tablet, small laptop or other mobile device to a HDTV or computer monitor. Micro HDMI adapter adapts the audio/video output of a HDMI Micro-enabled mobile device or laptop so that it may be connected to a HDMI display. HDMI compatibility connects to the audio/video output of a small laptop without causing undue stress on the port. HDMI support supports up to a 1080p resolution. C2G packaging. To ensure you receive the highest quality products, C2G packages all product in C2G branded packaging. This adapter converter dongle is an ideal solution for connecting the audio/video output of a HDMI Micro-enabled tablet, small laptop or other mobile device to a HDMI display. The dongle design of this adapter converter does not cause the stress on the port of a small laptop that is common when using a box-style adapter. Up to a 1080p video resolution is supported, allowing this adapter converter to meet the needs of a high-performance application. Connect this adapter directly to the output of a laptop and use a HDMI cable to connect to a display. Top reviews from the United States. Quality written all over it. Very nice, compact, high-quality adapter. I almost bought the cable version instead. I have a lot of cables, adapters, and electronics from Cables to Go and I am never disappointed. This company is the Cadillac of the cable world. This will connect my tablet's mini HDMI adapter to my HDTV. Works like a charm.